Hey guys! Now we're going to be talking about the periodic table and the elements within it. This entire chart in front of you is called the periodic table, and each one of these little boxes with a letter or two letters and a number represents an element. Now, as you may recall, in one of the previous videos we discussed that all matter is made of atoms, and each one of these atoms is a different element. These are all of the different elements that you could choose from. But there's one way that we can distinguish the difference between one element and the next, besides the name, of course, and that is by the number of protons. So, for example, let's take an element we're all familiar with, oxygen. Oxygen, as you see here, has 8 protons, which is what this little number represents. That means all of the oxygen atoms in the entire world are going to have 8 protons. All of them. If they have an additional proton, which makes them having 9, then it would be a fluorine atom, and it would not be an oxygen atom. So whenever you're doing problems where you're required to find what the element is, and you have the atomic structure, you can just go in, count the number of protons, and voila! You know exactly what element you're looking at. Let's put that into practice now.